Hey people, so today I'm having bhel puri at this place in PVR, and this bhel puri is worth 140 bucks, so it's one of the most expensive bhel puris I've had. But seriously, PVR after the lockdown is become quite a quiet place. Otherwise, normally it's bustling with activity, right? And wow, this is pudina chutney, right? Yeah, so let's see how the bhel puri tastes. I hope the quantity is good because it's like for this movie Surya Vansham. That's black salt, no? Wow, this looks good, yeah. This is how the rest of it looks. And when we are, this is the menu. Take a look. Good enough. And if you were to take a look at it, it's like there is just so much.